For the months of May and June, we'll be giving away 50,000 IOST tokens along with 3 Ledger Nanos, 2 of them sponsored by Nimic and 1 special edition Ledger Nano with an on-the-go kit. Winners announced July 1st. To enter, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on every video in May and June for your maximum number of entries. Bit Squad, welcome back to the channel. So I was actually sent a Ledger Nano X, and I am pointing at you with scissors. Don't feel threatened. Which is the upgraded version of the Ledger Nano S. Now, some of the reasons why the upgrade was needed, and the main reason was because the old Ledger, you could not hold a ton of apps on it. And basically each coin that you're able to put on a Ledger is called an app. So there's a Bitcoin app, an Ethereum app, an XRP app, an Ontology app. There's all these different apps. But the Ledger Nano S was not able to hold all of them at one time. Now, there basically was a way where you could hold up to about 10 different apps on there at one time, but the hardware just was very, had a lot of constraints that would not allow you to keep all of your crypto on there at one time and feel safe about it. Now, you could kind of play musical chairs by adding an app and then deleting it later, and then when you add it again, your coins would still be there, but it felt really risky. So, Ledger came out with the upgraded model, which is the Ledger Nano X, and they sent me one for free. I haven't even opened the package yet. That's why I have these scissors. You may have been wondering. So let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. We're gonna look at everything that's in it. As you can see, I have not opened this yet. So here it is. So this is the box. Boom. I hope you guys can see it. Boom, 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 boom. Ledger Nano X, keep your crypto secure anywhere. Now it is factory sealed, as you guys can see. When you do order one of these, you wanna make sure that you're ordering it from Ledger directly. Don't try to save a couple bucks by ordering on Amazon. When you order these things on Amazon, they could be tampered with and you are risking your crypto. So if you would like to get one of these Ledger Nano X's, by the way, I do have a link down at the top of the video description where you're able to go there and order one of these. It is a ref link, an affiliate link. I would appreciate the support on the channel. Now, another thing, if you notice here, you notice the, I hope you guys can see it. Maybe they'll glare, you can't. But there is a Bluetooth symbol there. So one other thing that they've done with this Ledger Nano X is it is Bluetooth compatible, and you can now download the Ledger Live app on iOS. So you can actually link this to your phone through Bluetooth, which I think is a huge improvement over what you were able to do before. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, here we go. Okay, ooh, how's it open here? Okay, you gotta slide this part off. Okay, ooh, there we go, okay. All right, so we are gonna open the package here. Okay, so here you go. Beautiful, there's your Ledger. It looks very similar to the old one, honestly. It doesn't have the buttons on the side. So, it looks pretty much just like a Ledger Nano S without the buttons. The Ledger Nano S would have buttons along the side there. So let's peel this little, ooh, don't hear that? Crispy. Okay. Let's see how we turn this bad boy on. I guess we hold it down. So it's got a button on the left. So the button is actually on the device. It is right here. So you just hold it right there. It says press the right button. Oh, it has 2 buttons. So this is one button and this is the second button right here. So Ledger Live at ledger.com. So basically I have to download the Ledger Live to really get this thing going. Hold both buttons every time to turn the power on and off. Start Ledger Live to get assistance, set up a new device, restore recovery phrase. So you can't set up a new one or restore an old device. If you have already had one of these, it comes with some instructions right here, which I don't know if you guys are men or not, but men don't need instructions. I'm just here to tell you. I've never needed an instruction a day in my life. Okay, you got some cool stickers. You can put some stickers wherever you need to put some stickers, which if you don't know, my wife is definitely afraid of stickers, so those will not be coming in the house here. Okay, it's a little care kit, recovery sheet. This is where you write down your phrases. Now you can also use something like, I forgot what they're called, steel tab. Basically you can go get a graving pen, which is very cheap. You can get it for like 10 bucks. And you get one of those metal recovery phrase, pads. That's what I've done in the past. I really like that. Comes with a little USB kit as well here. Overall, we're not doing a review or a tutorial on how to install the software right now. We'll probably do that one down the road. But for right now, the point is, is this better than the Ledger Nano S? And I would say absolutely. With the Ledger Nano S, I definitely ran into the problem of feeling like I couldn't hold everything on one device. I actually have multiple ledgers. I've got like 25 of them really. But, I got them spread out, stored in different places and things like that. But it's really unnecessary. So, if you're going to buy the Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X, I do feel like it's a huge improvement, a huge upgrade over the former model. I also feel like that the Bluetooth connectivity to the Ledger Live app, I feel like that also is really, really great. You're able to store all your crypto on one device. I think that's really a smart way to do it. Depending on how much you have. If you have millions of dollars of crypto, you probably want to spread them out across a few devices and things like that. But for me, this would work for everything that I want. And there's no name in crypto wallets trust more than Ledger. That's just the truth. You can't really go wrong with a Ledger. And, I look forward to seeing whatever the next model is. So, I definitely think this is a good investment if you need somewhere to store your cryptocurrency. So if you guys are interested in buying it, like I said, there is an affiliate link down below at the very top of the video description. But of course, like I said before, I think I've already said this, make sure that even if you use my link or not, don't use Amazon. You need to get it directly from Ledger. That's the only way to, secure or to verify that it's an absolute untouched ledger. If you get it from another source, there's things that people have done in the past to put bugs on them, chips inside of them, make fake devices, try to get your private key to steal your crypto and things like that. So definitely want to order it directly from Ledger. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Look forward to being back next week with some news videos. BitBoy out.